In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to find Capcut templates. Capcut templates are mostly used for TikTok videos, so if you also see a lot of people using Capcut templates and if you also want to use it on your own, then let me show you how you can. Before you use the Capcut template, make sure that you have the Capcut app installed on your phone. So basically there are two ways that you can use them. First is through the website. Open up your web browser and search for Capcut template, and you can see all of these results. You can open up any of them and you'll be able to view the latest Capcut templates which are trending. You can tap on any one of them and you'll have an option of use template in Capcut. You can tap on this option and the Capcut app will open up and you can immediately choose a video and the template will be also added to your video. That's the first way, and the second way is through the app of TikTok. Open up your app and similarly on the top you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and search for Capcut template. Once you do, different kinds of templates that people are using right now will be showing. It's also going to show you other results similar to the one that you entered. You can also tap on any of these and use the trending templates. Tap on any of the templates that you like, and on the top side of the template you'll see Capcut. You can tap on this option and it's going to say open Capcut. Tap on it and you can use that template easily on your videos. So that was a quick and easy video on how to find Capcut templates. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a like. If you want more videos similar to this, turn on the notifications of our channel. That's all for today's video and I'll be back with more.